Good morning, children. How you all, Amma? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we learned about a factor. In the third chapter we started factor, common factor, and how we can find out from that HCF. Now I am going to start the next topic about multiple. What is meant by multiple? How you will write the common multiples. Okay, third chapter, factors and multiples. First one about multiple. What is meant by multiple? What is meant by multiple? Okay. What are meant by multiples? The products obtained. The products obtained. The products obtained by multiplying. The products obtained by multiplying the given number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called multiples of that given number, are called multiples of that given number. What it means, I will explain you. See this. The products obtained, if you multiply the given number with 1, 2, 3, 4, they are called the multiples of that given number. How we will write the multiples of a number? Now let us learn about that. For example, now I am going to write the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. How I will write the multiples of 5? By multiplying this given number 5 with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, I can get the multiples of that number. Yes, na? So, what are multiples of 5? 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 threes, 5 fours, 5 fives, 5 sixes, 5 sevens and so on. By like that I multiplied with 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and like that. I can get the multiples of 5. I can get the multiples of 5. Okay. See that. What are multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and so on. Those are the multiples of the number. Next, I would like to write the multiples of 12. What are multiples of 12, children? What are the multiples of 12? 12 ones, 12 twos, 12 threes, 12 fours, 12 fives, 12 sixes, 12 sevens, like that and so on. What are multiples of 12, Amma? 12 ones, 12. 12 twos 24, 12 threes 36, 12 fours 48, 12 fives 60, 12 sixes 72, 12 eights 84, like that you can write. We can write the multiples of that number. Up to how many numbers is possible, we can write those many numbers. Okay. Like that we can write the multiples of that number. Like that we can write the multiples of that number. Okay, ma'am. See the properties of multiples. What are the properties of multiples? What are the properties of multiples? See. Every number is multiple of 1. Every number is multiple of 1. We can write 1 into 2, 1 into 5, 1 into 10, 1 into 12, 1 into any number can be written as the multiple of 1. Okay. Multiples of a number multiples of a number are greater than or equal to that number, greater than or equal to that number. How? I write the multiples of 5 now. Multiples of 5. So that multiples of 5 started with 5 only. That means that is equal to 5. And remaining all greater than 5. Remaining all greater than 5. Like that you can write any numbers what you want. You can those many multiples. Okay? Where there is no restriction, that time you have to stop. Okay? Next. Multiples of a number are greater than or equal to that number. Or greater than or equal to that number. Like that. Next. Multiples of a number are not countable. Countable means we can count the factors of a number. For example, I write the factors of a number 2, 1. To write the factors of number 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. How many factors? Number of factors are 6. But we cannot write like this for a multiple. How can we write a number of multiples? 5 multiples I am writing, and 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Like that I can write and go on. There is no particular number to count. How? Those many we can't count. But factors we can count. Okay? That is the difference between the factor and the multiple. Okay? Are uncountable, and the numbers which are greater than or equal to a number. Okay, ma, next about common multiples. Common multiples. How we will write the common multiple? The multiples which are common for 2 or more numbers are called common multiples. The multiples which are common for common multiples. See the word common multiples. Common multiples. Multiples that are common for 2 or more numbers. 2 or more numbers are called common multiples of that given numbers. That means how we will write the common multiples of the numbers. Now we will discuss. Now I would like to write the common multiples of 8 and 12. 8 and 12. How I will write the common multiples of 8 and 12? First write the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. What are multiples of 8, Amma? What are multiples of 8? 8, 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, 8 10 is 80, and so on. We cannot say there it stops. There are uncountable multiples for every number. Multiples of 12. What are multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and so on. Why I stopped here? Here I stopped at 80, so I leave at 84 here, nearer to that number. Now what the question they ask us? Write the common multiples of 8 and 12. Write the common multiples of 8 and 12. What are common multiples of 8 and 12? 12 are. What are common multiples of 8 and 12? In these two cases, which are common? 24. Next, 48, 72, like that they are common. So what are common here? 24, 48, 72 and so on. And so on. Next, if they ask you to find common multiples, we write how to. But if they ask you to write the LCM, find out the LCM. What is meant by LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Here we got the common multiples now. In that, which is the least one? That one is the answer you have to write. Which one is least? 24. 24 is the LCM. 24 is the LCM. So I will explain you with one more example. See that? Next we will discuss about LCM. What is meant by LCM, and I will explain you one more example with that. What is the lowest common multiple? LCM. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. It stands for LC. Multiple. Lowest common multiple. What is meant by lowest common multiple? The lowest common multiple of the lowest common multiple LCM of two or more numbers, is the smallest number, that can be divided by each of the numbers without leaving a remainder. Okay, how we will find the LCM of the numbers? For example, I took 3 numbers. Find the LCM of, example, find the LCM of 6, 24, 36 and 36. Okay, common multiple method na 6. 6, 8 and 12. Find the common multiples of 6, 8 and 12. Right, least common multiple of multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 6 4 24, 6 5 30, 6 6 36, 6 7 42, 6 8 48, 6 9 54, like that. Okay, next multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 and then like that, so on. Next, multiples of 12. What are multiples of 12? 12 ones, 12 twos, 24, 12 threes, 36, 12 fours, 48, 12 fives, 50, 12 fives, 60, 12 sevens, 6, 12 sixes, 72, like that. Now I have to write the common multiples of these three. Common multiples of 8 and 12. What are common multiples of 6, 8 and 12, Amma? Which are common in these are all 24, 48, and if you write sometime it becomes 72 like that. These are common. What is the LCM? LCM stands for least common multiple of these. Which is the least common multiple in that? 24 is the least common multiple. So answer is 24. Okay, ma? In the next class we will discuss with you about next definitions about prime, composite and etc. Okay? Till then, goodbye.